Today we're stepping into the world of visual storytelling with the unveiling of the top 5 tablets for photo and video editing in 2024. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital creation, having the right tools at your fingertips is crucial, and we have researched and tested to bring you the latest and highest rated tablets to help you unleash your artistic potential. You can check the description for pricing and purchase links. Let's dive in to the best tablets for creators in 2024. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Securing the 5th spot is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, a multimedia powerhouse that's perfect for creators who demand top-notch performance for photo and video editing on the go. Samsung's latest offering in the tablet world combines stunning visuals, raw processing power, and portability to cater to your creative needs in 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus features a generously sized 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 128 gigs of storage capacity. This Android tablet offers an expansive canvas for your creative projects, allowing you to work with precision and detail. It even includes the versatile S Pen, making sketching, annotating, and editing a breeze. Under the hood, the Tab S8 Plus is powered by a robust octa-core processor, ensuring that your photo and video editing software runs smoothly without any hiccups. The tablet's 128 gigs of storage provides ample space for your multimedia files, projects, and applications. One of the standout features is its versatile ultra-wide camera. Capable of recording 4K video, this not only allows you to capture high-quality footage but also provides flexibility in your creative endeavors. Whether you're shooting vlogs, documenting your creative process, or engaging in video calls with fellow artists, the Tab S8 Plus delivers impressive visuals. Number 4. Apple iPad Air 5th Generation. In the 4th position, we have the Apple iPad Air 5th Generation, a powerhouse tablet that incorporates Apple's cutting-edge M1 chip, making it a standout choice for creators seeking a versatile and high-performance device for photo and video editing in 2024. The iPad Air's hallmark feature is its 10.9-inch liquid retina display, which boasts vibrant colors and crisp details, offering an immersive canvas for your creative projects. Whether you're retouching photos, editing videos, or sketching digital art, the visual quality of the iPad Air enhances your work. With an ample 256 gigs of storage, this tablet ensures that you have enough room to store your multimedia files, high-resolution images, video clips, and editing software. This ample storage capacity allows you to keep all your creative assets at your fingertips without the need for constant file management. Equipped with both a 12-megapixel front and 12-megapixel back camera, the iPad Air offers versatility for creators. The high-resolution front camera enables crystal clear video calls and selfies, while the rear camera ensures sharp and detailed photos and videos. These camera capabilities are a boon for those who require high-quality visuals in their creative endeavors. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. In the 3rd position, we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, a cutting-edge 2-in-1 tablet and laptop that offers remarkable versatility for creators in 2024. This device combines the benefits of both a tablet and laptop, making it an ideal choice for those who demand both portability and productivity. One of the standout features of the Surface Pro 9 is its 13-inch display, providing ample screen real estate for photo and video editing tasks. The high-resolution screen ensures that you can work on your creative projects with precision, allowing you to see every detail in your photos and videos. What sets the Surface Pro 9 apart is its 5G connectivity, which offers lightning-fast internet speeds, enabling seamless cloud-based collaboration and rapid file transfers. This feature is invaluable for creators who need to work on the go or share large media files with colleagues and clients. Under the hood, the Surface Pro 9 is powered by a faster SQ3 processor designed to handle multitasking with ease. Whether you're editing high-resolution images, rendering videos, or running resource-intensive applications, this tablet-laptop hybrid keeps up with your demands, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. With 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, the Surface Pro 9 provides ample memory and storage space for your creative projects. You can run your editing software smoothly and store your multimedia files without worrying about storage limitations. Number 2. TOOTON 2024 Tablet. In the 2nd position, we have the TOOTON 2024 Tablet, a versatile and powerful device that's perfect for creators who need both portability and performance in one package. This tablet is equipped with an octa-core processor that ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance. Whether you're editing photos or videos, browsing the web, or streaming content, this this tablet can handle it all with ease. With 128 gigs of storage and support for up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage, you'll have plenty of space to store your multimedia files and creative projects. No need to worry about running out of storage space. The tablet features a 13 plus 8 megapixel dual camera setup, allowing you to capture high quality photos and videos on the go. Whether you're documenting your creative process or capturing moments for your projects, this tablet's camera has you covered. One of the standout features of this tablet is its 10.1-inch IPS FHD screen, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. It's the perfect canvas for photo and video editing, ensuring that you can see every detail in your work. The tablet also comes with a keyboard case, mouse and stylus, providing you with a complete set of tools for productivity and creativity. The keyboard allows you to type comfortably, the case protects your tablet, the mouse provides precise control, and the stylus offers precision for tasks like drawing and note-taking. Number 1. HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Plus. In the top spot, we have the HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Plus, a cutting-edge graphics drawing tablet that sets the standard for creators in 2024. This tablet offers a range of features that make it an exceptional choice for photo and video editing, digital art, and design. The Kamvas Pro 16 Plus boasts a stunning 4K UHD graphics display with full laminated screen technology. This means that there's minimal parallax, providing a seamless and natural drawing experience. With 145% sRGB color accuracy, your photos and videos will look true to life, making it easier to achieve your desired creative vision. One of the standout features of this tablet is the included battery-free stylus, the PW517, with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. You'll have precise control over your digital brushstrokes and edits. Whether you're retouching photos or creating intricate digital art, this stylus ensures that your work is detailed and accurate. The 15.6-inch pen tablet display offers ample screen real estate for your creative projects. It's the perfect size for editing photos and videos, allowing you to see fine details and make precise adjustments. The display's high resolution ensures that your work is displayed in stunning clarity. What sets the Kamvas Pro 16 Plus apart is its compatibility with a wide range of operating systems, including Linux, Windows PC, Mac, and Android. This versatility means that you can use it with your preferred software and devices, whether you're in the studio or on the go. In conclusion, as we journeyed through the world of creative tablets for 2024, we discovered a diverse array of powerful tools to fuel your artistic endeavors, from the multimedia prowess of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus to the cutting-edge performance of the Apple iPad Air. Each tablet offers unique features tailored to the needs of the creators. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 brings versatility and 5G connectivity, while the TOOTON 2024 tablet combines performance and portability. Ultimately, the top spot belongs to the HUION Kamvas Pro 16 Plus, redefining precision and compatibility for photo and video editing. Choose the tablet that resonates with your creative spirit and embark on a journey of limitless possibilities in 2024. Links to all the products will be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating.